Today I'm going to show you how to replace BMW X1 key battery. So the battery is in there. On the side here, there's button. Press the button to release the key. Yeah. You see the there's a gap there. Yeah. You can twist the cover. You twist it to open the cover like that. Here's the battery, CR2032 battery. Okay, pry it out. To replace it, the spring side go in first. The spring side go in first and press it down. Yeah, and then replace the cover. You see here this side going first. Yeah, you need to go in like that. Yeah, go in like that. Go in and press it down. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.